Click the link below for more info and 25% discount offer. CPU and Screen Hi9 Air comes with up to 64-bit Deca-core 2.3 GHz MT6797 X23 CPU, 4 GB DDR3 RAM and 64G eMMC 5.1 ROM, also supports up to 128 GB TF card. And G+G fitting technology of 2560 by 1600 IPS screen can increase light transmittance, it would be more smothly. 4G LTE enabled 4G GSM Phablet tablet plus smartphone, Android 8.0, smartphone and tablet 2-in-1, make and receive calls directly from the tablet itself with the built-in speaker. Dual micro SIM card slot, or one for SIM card, another for TF card. It equips with 8000 mAh rechargeable battery. You can play much longer than before. Unlimited entertainment. Pre-installed Google Play brings you to the world of entertainment. Social sharing are available, such as Facebook, Twitter, Netflix, Instagram, etc. Equipped with a 13.0 MP rear camera and a 5.0 MP front camera. Multi-function improved Wi-Fi module enables you experience faster loading speed for browsing the web, streaming music, making video calls and more. FM radio and NFC function are also good for your daily use. And 7.9 mm thickness is also the highlights of the tablet. Warranty. 1-year warranty is provided by CHUWI. Customer service will be provided within 24 hours. Box contains CHUWI Tablet Hi9 Air, power adapter, USB cable, English manual, perfect tablet for daily use and games. Click the link below for more info and 25% discount offer.